Peace and blessings, family. So today, I know it's been a minute since I done posted on this channel. I've been trying to kind of build my other channel. So if you want some motorcycle content, some good conversation, a little bit of trash talk, it's called something different, but we try not to curse on here. A little bit of trash talk. Go over to my other channel. It's called Osiris space the D-A space God. So Osiris the God. Osiris space the space God. And on there, it's kind of me, raw, uncut. I interview other people, some friends, some family members, and we kind of, we kind of get to it. You know what I'm saying? We get to it over there. But here, it's strictly about cars. But anyway, speaking of cars, so I'm in my Audi, and this Audi is my love-hate relationship, man. Like, I love this car. I always wanted this car. Got a 2007 Audi S8. I'm sorry, I got a few cars. I got be loopy sometimes. But anyway, I got a 2007 Audi S8. Keep messing up. Audi S8 with a VTN. The 5.2 Gallardo motor, whatever, right? But anyway, man, this thing, it gives me the flux, man, because when it's running, it's running. But when it decides it wants to mess up or whatever little electrical gremlins I got over here, man, it'll throw me right into limp mode. It's not really a warning. My idle is fluctuating between like 800 and 1,000 or 811. And it typically only happens when I'm sitting in traffic. So it's like, I paid quite a bit of money to try to get this thing fixed. I've replaced fuel pressure regulators. I've replaced throttle bodies. I've had the plenum replaced. All of that, man. But my codes that keep coming back is always associated with the ABS module and terminal 30. So I had Dante over at MegaWorks look at it, but he's not an Audi tech, man. You know, these cars are they're complicated, man. You got to be specialized in that. So today, going to drop it off at Karma BMW Audi up in Scottsdale, Georgia. So hopefully, because they're supposed to be specialized in this, they can get it going for me. Hopefully, because I've taken it to a couple other European shops and they can't figure it out. And and this is what I noticed, when they say European shops, they ain't talking about Audi and Volkswagen. They talking about BMW, Mercedes, and whatever else, but they not talking about Audi. So if you out there and you got an Audi and you want somebody to look after your stuff or take care of it, and they say they're a European shop, they are a BMW and Mercedes shop. They are not an Audi shop. You need to go to an Audi shop, Volkswagen and Audi shop. I guess there's a difference between European and German. Shouldn't be, because that's where it's at. But hey, anyway, let me get me and my problem child on the road. You heard that? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. You see that check engine light is on already. But anyway, most of my issues are with the terminal 30 and the ABS module. I'm thinking it might be a bad ABS module or there's a disconnection in there. But I need someone who actually knows the car, that can go through the car and tell me what it is, and I can go from there. Yeah, and she needs gas and plenty of other stuff, so we'll be back. All right, y'all, so I am about half a mile from the shop. Never been to it before, but I'm kind of familiar with the area. Stop and go traffic, everything that would have made my lovely Audi act up. And you think it act up? No, it didn't. She did great. She actually did great. Stop and go traffic, everything. She did great. And now we about right up the street, I guess. Need to start paying attention. She did great. So I got 274,246 miles. No, they're not all mine. Only about maybe 3,000 of those miles are mine. But 3,000 miles and going through what I've been going through for about the past 2 years, trying to get this car straight, trying to get it squared away and lined out. just been difficult, man. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see what happens when we get over here. So I'm gonna get over here, and then I gotta give me an Uber back to the crib, and talk to you then, man. I'll keep y'all posted.